Steamed broccoli served with caramelized sea scallops. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are serving our rich and buttery seared garlic sea scallops and steamed broccoli. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. To steam broccoli, pour water into a pot. Place steamer basket into the pot and cover with the lid until the water begins to steam. Cut broccoli florets from a head of broccoli. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other seafood dishes. If you like what you see, subscribe below so you know when we release new videos. Once steaming, add broccoli florets to the steamer basket. Cover and steam 4 to 6 minutes. Remove from heat and place on a serving dish. To sear scallops, dry scallops by placing them onto a paper towel. Using a separate paper towel, pat scallops dry. Season scallops with sea salt. What is your favorite seafood dish? Let us know by commenting below the video. Your favorite seafood dish could become a future episode. If using bacon, slice it in half. Place a cast iron skillet over medium heat and add bacon. Cook to desired doneness, turning halfway through. Transfer bacon to a paper towel and set aside. Add vegetable oil and butter. Whisk bacon drippings from the bottom of the skillet. Once the oil is hot, place scallops into the skillet. Cook 2 to 3 minutes, or until the scallops easily release from the skillet. Flip scallops and cook another 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, these are beautifully browned. Transfer scallops to a plate. Add butter. Whisk while scraping the drippings from the bottom of the skillet. Mince garlic. Add it to the skillet, along with red pepper flakes and fresh thyme. Quickly combine and pour in white wine. Combine. Also add fresh lemon juice. Combine and cook until reduced by half. If you are enjoying this scallop recipe, like and share it. Also, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Transfer scallops to the serving dish with the broccoli. Drizzle garlic sauce over the broccoli and scallops. Crumble bacon on top. Garnish with fresh thyme. This tastes so good. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.